Okay, ready? Ja. Gut. Mann, wir sind voll scheiße dafür, Alter. Wir sind die schlechtesten Actor dafür. Gut. Das wird lange dauern, Alter.
Add a compound blur to make the blur thing blur. Select the blur thing and make the Add a compound blur to make the blur thing blur. Select the blur thing and make the blur thing layer invisible. Jesus. Select the blur thing and make the blur thing layer invisible.
Okay. Mann, Alter.
You can play with the... You can play with the... You can even play with your wink, with your... There must be a funny word for dick. Willy. You can play with your willy, I don't care. With your Peter, with your winkle, with your wanger. With your wanger. I'll say wanger. Play with your wanger, I don't care. Wanger. Oh my god, the word wanger is amazing. Jesus. Okay, wanger. Wanger, willy, schlong. You can play with the blurriness, you can play with your wanger. With your wanger.
Nein, nein. Mann, das war so gut. Das war meine Schuld, Alter. Oh Mann. Scheiße, das war gar nicht.
Painstakingly lengthen the... But first, painstakingly What a fucking word! Painstakingly. Who thinks of that? Mask and animate it to make it appear out of nowhere with style. With style, with style, with style, with style, with style. Okay. Honestly. How do you say that? This is the motion I do with my tongue. You can't see it, but you can hear it maybe. With style. I think it must be with style. But I can't get my tongue back to the position because style has a sharp S, but coming out of the TH it becomes a soft S with style. You hear that? There's a in the background. Okay, I will say with style, just ditch the TH then.